Welcome, viewers, to today's insightful journey into the future of technology. In this video, we'll explore the 10 industries that are poised for radical transformation thanks to the rapid advancements in artificial intelligence. From healthcare to manufacturing, AI is set to revolutionize various sectors, reshaping the way we live and work. Let's dive in. Number 10 is education. AI-powered educational processes are unlocking new possibilities for personalized and effective learning experiences. AI algorithms to analyze individual student performance, adapting content and pacing to match their unique strengths and challenges. AI-driven virtual tutors provide round-the-clock assistance, clarifying concepts and answering questions in real time. Moreover, AI enhances assessments, offering insights into student progress through data-driven analysis. AI-powered language translation and voice recognition technologies facilitate global collaboration and language acquisition, breaking down barriers to education. In summary, AI-powered education is democratizing access to quality learning, personalizing instruction, and creating a dynamic and inclusive learning ecosystem. Number 9, energy production. AI-powered energy production is reshaping the way we generate and manage power, ushering in a new era of efficiency and sustainability. AI algorithms analyze intricate data patterns from energy consumption to weather forecasts, enabling real-time adjustments in power generation and distribution. This dynamic responsiveness improves grid stability and minimizes energy waste. Renewable energy sources such as solar and wind benefit from AI-driven predictive analytics, enhancing output forecasting and operational efficiency. Maintenance schedules are optimized through AI-driven predictive maintenance, minimizing downtime and maximizing energy production. Number 8. The 8 is entertainment industry is undergoing a profound transformation fueled by AI-powered innovations. In visual effects and animation, AI streamlines production processes, reducing time and costs while maintaining high-quality standards. Virtual reality and augmented reality experiences are becoming more immersive and interactive through AI-driven enhancements. Music composition and generation benefit from AI's ability to create original compositions and even mimic famous artists' styles. Furthermore, as AI continues to evolve, it will likely continue to push the boundaries of entertainment, offering new avenues for creators and audiences to explore. Number 7. Agriculture industry. Powered by AI, the agriculture industry is undergoing a profound revolution, enhancing efficiency, sustainability, and crop yields. AI analyzes vast amounts of data from various sources, such as weather patterns, soil conditions, and crop health, to provide real-time insights and actionable recommendations. This enables farmers to make informed decisions about planting, irrigation, and pest control, optimizing resource utilization and reducing environmental impact. Furthermore, AI-driven drones and sensors are revolutionizing precision farming. AI-optimized agriculture is ensuring sustainable food production for a growing global population while minimizing environmental footprint. Number 6. Customer service. AI-powered customer services are available 24/7, providing instant responses to customer queries and concerns. They handle routine tasks, such as order tracking and basic troubleshooting, freeing up human agents to focus on more complex issues. AI algorithms analyze customer interactions to gain insights into preferences and behaviors, enabling businesses to offer tailored recommendations and solutions. Furthermore, AI-powered sentiment analysis monitors social media and online platforms, allowing businesses to proactively address customer feedback and sentiment. In summary, AI-powered customer service is enhancing customer satisfaction by providing timely and relevant assistance, streamlining processes, and creating a more personalized and engaging interaction between businesses and their customers. Number 5. Finance industry is experiencing a seismic transformation through AI optimization. AI algorithms analyze vast data sets with lightning speed, enabling real-time fraud detection, risk assessment, enhancing efficiency, security, customer experiences, and trading strategies. This empowers financial institutions to make informed decisions swiftly and accurately. AI-driven chatbots and virtual assistants provide personalized recommendations, budgeting advice, and investment insights, empowering individuals to make smarter financial choices. Furthermore, AI-optimized finance extends to customer interactions. Chatbots streamline customer service, providing quick and accurate responses, while AI-powered sentiment analysis enhances market predictions and investment decisions. Number 4. Healthcare industry. AI-powered diagnosis, personalized treatment plans, and even robotic surgeries are becoming a reality. With AI guidance, surgical robots execute procedures with unparalleled precision and dexterity. Machine learning algorithms can analyze medical images with unparalleled accuracy, leading to earlier and more accurate disease detection. From providing personal care to patients to automating the drug production process, AI and robotics can ensure a faster rollout date and an efficient and accurate operation. This convergence promises improved diagnoses, refined treatments, and revolutionary surgical procedures, underscoring the transformative power of technology in safeguarding human health. Number 3. Retail industry. AI is ushering in a transformative shift, redefining the very essence of the shopping experience. AI's integration is revolutionizing every aspect, from the moment a shopper enters a store or visits an online platform. AI-driven recommendation engines analyze consumer behavior, preferences, and purchase history, offering personalized product suggestions that resonate with individual tastes. Virtual shopping assistants powered by AI provide real-time assistance, answering queries, offering guidance, and even facilitating transactions. This streamlined communication elevates customer service to new heights, providing a seamless and engaging shopping journey. Furthermore, AI optimizes inventory management, ensuring shelves are stocked with the right products at the right time. Number 2. AI-optimized transportation represents a transformative leap in the way we navigate our world. Harnessing the power of artificial intelligence, transportation systems are undergoing a profound shift towards unprecedented efficiency and innovation. Real-time data analysis enables predictive modeling of traffic patterns, empowering systems to dynamically adjusting routes, reducing congestion, make split-second decisions, and shortening travel times. The advent of self-driving vehicles, a cornerstone of AI-optimized transportation, AI directs railways, optimizing routes, schedules, safety. Efficient automated system transforms transportation landscape for better connectivity and operations to reshape the future of mobility. Number 1. Manufacturing industry, AI-driven automation is revolutionizing production efficiency. By seamlessly integrating artificial intelligence into manufacturing processes, industries are experiencing remarkable productivity gains. AI has proven to be a valuable tool for manufacturers looking to increase efficiency and reduce costs. Intelligent algorithms empower machines to analyze data in real time, optimize workflows, and minimize errors. This synergy enhances quality control and output, while also reducing operational costs. As a result, businesses can respond swiftly to market demands, minimize downtime, and maximize resource utilization. Many industries are investing more in building intelligent factories to improve production and fewer product defects, and increased production speed and accuracy for future in the global market. Closing and conclusion, and there you have it, a glimpse into the future of 10 industries being transformed by the power of artificial intelligence. As AI continues to evolve, its impact will reshape our world, creating new opportunities and challenges alike. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Stay tuned for more exciting developments in the world of technology. If you're enjoying the content and want to stay up to date with our latest videos, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell right next to it. Thank you for your support. Have a nice day.